Buffy. Does anybody else just eat feta cheese straight out of the package? Or is it just me? I figured I hadn't vlogged in a while. Vlogged. Wow. I have words. It's almost 5 in the morning here. Recorded yesterday and then decided today was just going to be catch up on YouTube kind of night. And the husband's been sick, but not that kind of sick. I think he just has like a bug. I've probably been at home for 6 weeks now. Except to go see Mom. Like, I haven't been like out in 6 weeks. I lost track, but it feels like an eternity. And the only thing I can think about is going back to the tiki bar, which is open, but there are no, and Disney. Disney's like almost giving me nightmares because I want to go back to Disney so badly. But I asked a friend about the tiki bar, and they said it's really weird because there are no bar stools. And if you've never seen one of my vlogs before, an older one, I actually went down to the tiki bar and showed you what it was like. I'll leave a card somewhere if I can find that very specific blog. But I keep saying blog. It's vlog. Video log. There's different yards on either side of the bar area and the seating area, but the rest is all boardwalk. So I guess people are just kind of standing out in the lawn and social distancing, but you can still go up to the bar and get your drinks and food and to-go containers. So I kind of want to go down there this week. Maybe I'll try to squeeze that in when the weather's nice. It poured today here in Florida, Central Florida. But yeah, I just miss going down there and watching the lake and having some wine and talking to friends. So I think I'm going to try that this week. But for now, I'm going to catch up on YouTube, the channels I follow. You all know who you are, I'm sure. And eat my feta cheese. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Pixie, out. I figured I would show you guys the porch lights since I'm out here. So Ronnie hung these for me. Can you see them? That came with this. I love them. So it's 1:30 and you can hear the cat fountain. I have to do the dishes, but I don't want to talk about it. So I've still been home for like 6 weeks straight, and I'm still afraid to go out. I think I've left, aside from going to Mom's, the house twice, and that was to get cigarettes, and I did my 6-foot distance crap, and I was like so terrified to go get cigarettes. I don't know why. And I have been procrastinating my Disney lookbook, but I promise I'm working on it. And Ronnie surprised me with sushi, and it's 1:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna eat this sushi. Here's my soy sauce. And I'm catching up on YouTube because my apologies for not commenting as often as I usually do, because I don't know, I just little sushi soy bowl. It's not that I don't like your videos, it's just I get so tired now. I don't know why. I really should not go the dishes tonight before I go to bed. But I'll balance you on the slow cooker while I get my soy sauce. Maybe I'm just so used to being home now because of the quarantine, even though Florida's opening again. I'm just like used to it. And I don't know, I start getting anxiety about going out. It's weird because everybody's like, oh, it's the new normal. But even when I went to the gas station, is Florida stupid? Or is it just not that serious anymore? Nobody was wearing a mask when I went to get cigarettes. And I think that's what's getting in my head with my anxiety is like, everybody's requiring you to wear a mask, but what, because we lifted curfew and our thing expired on May 4th, our little stay-at-home order, that everything's back to normal? Like, I've heard from many people, social media and offline, that you can't catch it anymore. And I'm like, that's not how it works. That's not how it works at all. So, I don't know. I'm just, with my luck, if I just ignore my anxiety, don't spill soy sauce, don't spill soy sauce. I'm just like, maybe now I'm overly paranoid. I don't know. Are you in your state or area starting to go out and do normal things, and are you wearing a mask? Does your area require you to wear a mask? I guess that's the more pertinent question. I guess Florida is treating the masks as optional, except for the theme parks. Whoa. That are slowly opening. City Walk opened, and I've watched a few videos on that where people vlogged it, and Disney Springs is opening in a couple days. It's the 18th, by the way. Technically, for me, it's the 17th still. Yes. I'm still on the 17th because I haven't slept. Like I said, it's almost 2 in the morning. But I don't know. I'm like, even if the parks open tomorrow, I don't think I would go. As much as I love me some Disney. And let me know what you think down below. Is this the new normal? Are you wearing a mask? All the things I just said. I'm going to eat some sushi and watch some YouTube. Bye, guys. I also wanted to add that, yes, I did order a mask for Ronnie and I. Well, masks. And I figured that if I have to wear one, because I will probably break down once the parks open and go to Disney, despite what I just said, at least I will look cute wearing it. And I bought a thermometer, which I can't find mine anyway. I don't know what happened to it, so I just went online and bought another one off Amazon for like 20 bucks. It's a digital thermometer, because I would hate to go to the parks and be turned away because they said that they were going to start taking temperatures at the parks, but I'm like, sometimes I run hot anyway because of my kidneys, and sometimes I just have an unexplained fever, so I would hate to be turned away at the park. So one time I try to go and they open and try to be normal again. So I went on Etsy, and I'll link the seller down below if I remember. When I do vlogs, I totally forget what I say I'm going to do a card for or leave a link for. But mine is Forky from Toy Story 4. It was really hard to decide because they had so many patterns, and then Ronnie wanted a Star Wars one or a Pirates of the Caribbean one, but a lot of the sellers on Etsy are running out because everybody's buying masks, so he picked out the Haunted Mansion wallpaper. But I was like, it's going to be like wearing your magic band, so it may as well be part of your personality, you know. I love Forky. Ronnie's wristband, magic band, is Haunted Mansion already, so I was like, may as well, you know, because I will go to the park. I might not want to stay long, because a lot of people said because Florida's so hot, the mask gets annoying. I can only imagine because of the sweat. I don't know, things are going to be weird. In a way, I'm glad things are getting back to normal, or that the state of Florida is trying to consider themselves normal again, but at the same time, I'm like, is it too soon? Because I'm still watching those death tolls climb on the Weather Channel app, because you can click the situation link in the bottom right-hand corner of it. I don't know. I'll stop talking about it, though, because it's getting depressing. I'm just so used now to ordering Publix delivery and only going to mom's house that I'm like, this is fine. You know that meme where the dog is just sitting there and the kitchen is on fire and he's wearing a fedora and it just says, this is fine? That's me. I guess I was never really social to begin with. I would only go to the tiki bar in Disney, so. And date night. Speaking of sushi, the one restaurant I wanted to go to is called Fancy Sushi, and they're still closed. That's usually me and Ronnie's date night on Saturdays, and they're still takeout only, but their restaurant is so tiny that each table is less than 2 feet apart, if that, and the bar is it's just like a narrow strip of a restaurant, so there's no way you could social distance in that restaurant unless you took out like 3/4 of the tables. But anyways, I'm gonna go catch up on YouTube. My channel of the day is No Guts, No Glory. She's really cool. Her and her husband are awesome. And they do nothing but hauls, and they do little tours every now and then of their house. And they're just such a sweet couple. I just enjoy watching them so much, and she always responds to comments, so I really appreciate that, because sometimes, you know, like when you comment on somebody's channel and they're really popular, it gets lost in the internet. So No Guts, No Glory. I'll link her and her husband down below. They're really fun. She even added me back on Facebook, so I feel like that was like really special that she loves her followers so much. I'll probably have another channel or two that I'm going to add on here. I'm going to get into the habit of doing that because so many people have given me a shout out that I want to pay it back. And, you know, that's what our little YouTube community is about, like just paying it forward. Because you get hits, I get hits, we get subscribers, we're all happy, everybody loves comments. It's good to see positive reactions to the community because it's just nice to have that feedback. So I'm going to get back to my sushi and watching some YouTube. Love you guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. She's adorable. She needs lots of love. What do you think about getting the bumpers done too? Mm-hmm. Oh, look at her getting up. Because since the bumpers are intact, they can probably just find the brackets to hold the bumper on. Yeah. Right. When you were in rehab? No, just enough to run. Yeah. Just enough to get to see you. Bye, Car. I love you. So it is Thursday night and I am making dinner, and right now I'm home alone, but I'm sure my roommates will be home soon. Ronnie went to Georgia because I am a step-Grammy now. My stepson and his wife had their first baby, so My husband is up there visiting them, and I could not go because I had a stomach bug. It's been fun, but I will be going up the next time in a couple months to meet little Harlow, and I'm very excited. So tonight we are making pierogies wrapped in bacon, and I made some ground chicken. And yeah, I will show you what I've done so far. It's also been raining all day, and that's kind of shitty, but it was nice, and my plants needed it. So whatever. It's just one of those dreary days in Florida where it just rains nonstop. But it was kind of relaxing. I saw Mom and we went on the patio and talked, and we took a nap. Like, Mom went to her bed and I went to my old bedroom, and I fell asleep on my old bed, and it was just relaxing. But yeah, I came home and like I said, now I'm making dinner, and I will show you the progress. There's some ground chicken that I seasoned with garlic, oregano, basil, onion, something else I can't remember, salt, pepper, a little bit of chili powder, and then, yes, I'm super excited. I love pierogies, especially with bacon. You cannot go wrong with bacon. Yummy. Cod.